Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the difference of two squares, the factorisation pattern that you should spot instantly. By the end of this, you'll know the signature, the rule, and exactly when it does and doesn't apply. Definition: a squared minus b squared factorises to a minus b times a plus b. That's the entire rule. Two squared terms subtracted become two brackets. One with minus, one with plus, same two letters in each. Symbol pattern that, once you've memorized it, you will see everywhere. Key insight: three signals tell you it's the difference of two squares. Two terms only, both perfect squares, and they're separated by a minus. All three must be true. It only works for minus, never for a plus. And both terms must be perfect squared. X squared, 4x squared, 25, but not 3x squared or 7. Common mistake: trying to apply the rule to a squared plus b squared. That doesn't factorise over real numbers. Different operation, different result. So a squared minus b squared, yes, factorise. A squared plus b squared, leave alone. Quick example: a squared minus 25 factorises to x minus 5 times x plus 5.